Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the pinned menu not opening in Meccha Chameleon. So if you're unable to open the pinned menu or cannot customize your character, just follow along. First, restart the Meccha Chameleon app completely. For that, you need to close the game, remove it from your recent apps, and then open it again. Next, check if you are in the correct game phase. The paint menu is usually only available during the preparation or hiding phase, so it may not open during other parts of the match. After that, check your internet connection because connection issues can sometimes prevent game pages from loading properly. You should also update the Meccha Chameleon app to the latest version from Steam or your game platform. And if the issue still continues, you can try restarting your device and launch the game again. Another fix is to check the game files if you are playing on Steam. Open Steam, go to Library, right-click the Meccha Chameleon, select Properties, then go to Installed Files and choose Verify Integrity of the game files. And if the paint menu still does not open, reinstalling the game may fix corrupted files. So those are the best ways to fix the paint menu not opening in Meccha Chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.